G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Brad and this is Earthmoving Down Under. Bit of a cool video today. I was out with Iron Jack Recycling, so they are a company based out of Southeast Queensland, Logan area, if you know it. They were on a site where they were doing a 25 hectare job. They had a bunch of machines on there. There was a skidder, their grinder, a few of their excavators, their chipper, trucks, and their harvester. So that was pretty cool to film one of them. So there's going to be a fair bit of that. So their Vermeer grinder is actually 1,000 horsepower. So it smashes through trees pretty good. So that'll be cool to show you guys that. Jack, the owner of the company, he'll be starring in the video as well. Yeah, so I think Iron Jack themselves, they've got 6 grinders in total. So they're fairly sizable recycling or vegetation company around here. They do work all over Australia. So I nearly forgot. Well, I didn't really nearly forgot, but I see it in front of me. I wanted to thank all you guys. This turned up last week. So this is a 100k subscriber plaque from YouTube. I really appreciate it. I really do. I was wanting to get one of these not last year, this year, and I just scraped in. I think it was a few little videos that uploaded that got it done for the year. So I really do appreciate that a hell of a lot for all you guys that like and subscribe. So I'll put it up here on the wall or something, or somewhere in my office. But anyway, let's get into the action. Enough of that, and enjoy the video. Cheers. The machine's off, but the disc is still freewheeling. These disc saws can spin up to 1,000 to 1,300 RPM with a 2-speed of 300 kilometers an hour or 190 miles per hour. So stay well clear.
I'll grab those fucking wheel logs and I'll bring them over there.
Yep.
And I'll grab some of the other chips that I think and I'll stack them up over here.
Yep.
I'll put the drone up for that deal.
Yeah, I'll grab this, doing just some of this, driving around, then I'll put the drone up. As these whole trees come out, the straight mill logs will go straight to a sawmill and be used as usable timber. The rest of the trees will be chipped and mulched and sent to Kogan Green Energy to be burnt for green fuel for power. It's all about recycling the timber back into use. So I'm just out here today with Ironjack Recycling. We're in a job here at Southeast Queensland. This is a big housing estate development. They've got the job of clearing all the trees here. There's 400 lots here going in when this is completed. So they're using their Vermeer HD 6800, a fleet of excavators, Skidder, and yeah, they've pushed them all down with the dozer. We've got a D6 here actually, with scrub canopy on it, that's over there working. This thing here is kind of the star of the show. It's pretty awesome. These are 950 horsepower. So these actually run a C27 Cat. I believe that's the same engine that's in a D10. So you imagine this thing's got some balls. But I think they weigh about 30 tonne, if I'm correct. I could be off. If I am off, let me know. But yeah, anyway, pretty simple tree work. I'll get some footage of the boys working, some clearing, and I'll get some footage of this thing working so you can see how much power it's got. But this will take a full tree through this feed. So this is called a horizontal grinder. You've got the feed chain here, which it goes in up the back when they load the trees in. Then you've got a drum inside that spins at a high RPM with hammers on it, say, and that bashes and cuts up all the trees and smashes it. And you see what that turns to when you watch it on the video. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this one. I haven't got anyone out here with me to film, so I've had to use the meta glasses. But yeah, thanks for watching. Cheers.
Oh wow, it's a bit dusty out here, boys.
So as you can see, conditions are very dusty, so I decided to pull the pin on it and come back because we had some rain scheduled. At this stage, we hadn't had any rain here for months, so the boys are finding a really hard time to see what they're doing, and I couldn't really get any good shots of the action, so decided to pack it up and come out again after we have some rain so we can see what's going on.